Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best DJ headphones reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is OneOdio wired over-ear headphones. OneOdia is a significantly popular name on our list of the best DJ headphones. The following DJ headphone is one of its most selling options, which might be perfect for you. Coming at the top, we have the OneOdio wired over-ear headphones. These are quite bass-heavy DJ headphones as they come with 50mm drivers that deliver powerful output. Still, you will be getting clear vocals and high notes from the headphones, which is not a bad deal. There are soft padded cushions over the earpieces of the OneOdio wired over-ear headphones to make the device comfortable to wear as well as to cancel the noise. There is a 9.8 feet long coiled cord connected with this headphone so that connectivity is sorted for you. There are 2 options available for connectivity that are a 6.35mm plug and a standard 3.5mm plug. Both of these options are detachable to make the device even easier to use. If you like the single-sided audio monitoring, you will cherish the 90 degrees swiveling cups on these over-ear headphones. Number 2. Our second best pick is Numark HF125 Professional DJ Headphones. If you wish to find an even cheaper pair of DJ headphones, Numark has got you covered. Its HF125 DJ headphone is the most affordable DJ headphones you can find. Don't let the cheaper price tag on the Numark HF125 fool you, as it is still a highly professional DJ headphone powered by 40mm drivers. The Numark HF125 features 7 unique adjustable positioning settings that you can manage according to your mixing settings. While it is compact in terms of size, it is highly comfortable. First of all, it is light in weight, which makes them a preferred choice for long sessions. On top of that, the padded headband and ear cushions will avoid sweating inside of the headphone. The design completely isolates your audio from outside noise so that you can hear each and every beat carefully. It is attached with a 6 feet long cord. This is a hard-wired cord that has a 1/8 inch connector at the end. For extended connectivity, you will also receive a 1/4 inch TRS adapter in the package. As the cord is single-sided, the connections are easier to manage and there are fewer chances of accidental disconnects. Number 3. Our third best pick is Monoprice Premium Hi-Fi DJ Style Headphones. Monoprice is also a suitable brand if you want to get large drivers on your DJ headphones. The following option from Monoprice is also one of the highest selling options. The Monoprice Premium Hi-Fi DJ headphone is our third choice for the best DJ headphone, and rightfully so, as it also features powerful 50mm drivers. The drivers are covered with very thick and soft padding on the outside so that you get a comfortable experience as well as necessary noise isolation. There is padding provided over the headpiece as well as flexible rubber on the inside to ensure a longer life. This allows you to connect the cables only when in use and also to upgrade to higher quality cables if you desire. The 500mm drivers operate at 100 dB of sensitivity so that you will get loud yet clear output from these drivers. The Monoprice Premium Hi-Fi is basically an all-in-one package, as you get great sound quality, durability, and comfortable design. In the package, you will get the headphones, 2 cables, each 4 feet long and compatible with the 3.5mm jack. There is also a 1/4 inch adapter provided with the headphones if you need it. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Maono AU-MH601 Studio Headphones. Maono is yet another recognizable brand name for DJ hobbyists, as it designs various DJ-related products. Along with DJ mixers and mics, Maono also makes DJ headphones. The Maono AU-MH601 is going to be a great upgrade over your current set of headphones, as these DJ headphones come with 50mm drivers. These drivers have a large aperture which will certainly offer betterment over your listening experience. It offers exceptional audio quality with up to 116 dB extended sensitivity range and highly accurate bass response. Unlike most other DJ headphones, the Maono AU-MH601 offers active noise cancellation. Thus, you are bound to get perfect noise cancellation and focus on the music that you are working on. It is also a unique choice as these headphones come with a multifunctional design. It has an additional headphone jack so that you can enjoy and share the experience with your friend or family member. Maono is also providing a 3.5mm and a 6.35mm adapter along with the headphones. This makes the headphones compatible with various devices such as desktop computers, laptops, and DJ mixers. There are protein earmuffs installed on each of the ear cups that are soft and create a nice seal to avoid unnecessary sounds. Furthermore, the outer body is made up of ABS material to keep it lightweight as well as strong. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Sennheiser Pro Audio DJ Headphone. Sennheiser is a well-established brand in the industry as they make exceptional audiophile quality headphones. The following option from Sennheiser is highly suitable for DJs and music lovers. The Sennheiser HD25 professional DJ headphones feature high sensitivity as the drivers have aluminum voice coils. This also helps to keep the overall weight of the device low compared to other options. Even though the drivers on the Sennheiser HD25 are compact, they are capable of delivering loud output and managing harsh sound pressure levels caused by low-end frequencies. As you might have noticed, these headphones are very compact and lightweight altogether, which makes them ideal for portable usage. Also, it makes them comfortable to wear for a longer time. The cable on this headphone is detachable and single-sided so that you can use the cable only when it is necessary. Both of the ear cups are rotatable so that you can use a single ear cup for audio monitoring without any problem. The frequency response range for the Sennheiser HD25 varies from 16 Hz to 22,000 Hz, while the sensitivity is about 120 dB. The included cable on this unit is about 5 feet long and supports both 3.5mm and 6.5mm connectors. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.